Alright guys, today we're gonna have an unboxing and also a small test of a really nice soldering iron. And it's gonna be compared to this ERZA multi-tip 230 15 watts soldering iron, which is super nice quality. Yeah, looks like this pretty much. So let's get into that. This is the box I got from AliExpress. Delivered yesterday to Sweden here. Looked like that. It was super tiny. I mean, I couldn't understand what's happening here, right? And then it was like that. Also nicely packed. Very tiny. I mean, tiny stuff. Look, this is the normal pen. So tiny stuff. And it's the soldering iron with 4 tips. Let's get it out. 4 tips look like so. The iron itself packed in such a nice foil, like, yeah, thingy, and it's tiny. Look, it's really tiny. Okay, here we go. So for this job I'm gonna need the largest tip I have. It's gonna be this one. I already opened them. I was choosing between these two. Yeah, I put them on the precision scales. They're almost the same weight. This one is a bit bigger, so I'm gonna use that one. And the tips look like so. Yeah, there's one little disadvantage with this tip that I got. This thing is a bit bent, and also plastic is a bit melted over there. I don't know if you can see that. It's by default. We'll see if it works. I have not tested it full sort of power yet. But I hope it works. Just a small defect, which maybe they can fix it even. We'll see. But this is how you put the tip in. Just a bit further. That's it. You don't put the tip like that. You put it a bit on the side. So when you solder, you could see what's on the display. So it faces toward you. So you could control what's happening. It uses 21 volts. Quite powerful charger. USB-C from MacBook Pro. And this is how it works. Shows you the current temperature, the target temperature, and then quite a lot of things. You choose the target temperature by clicking this one. And once I'm gonna press the start, it will start heating up, and this is a damn fast process. So what we're gonna do today, guys, I have the Raspberry Pi 3B Plus. I'm trying to build a display-enabled microscope camera. It's a very interesting project. I hope I'm going to show it later on my channel. But for now, I need to do a heatsink for this Raspberry Pi. And I'm hoping to connect. This is my heatsink. It's made of 2 cents. I think I have it earlier on the channel somewhere. It's made out of these 2 Swedish kronas. It's still valid currency here. I soldered them all both together, but now I would like to extend it a bit with this aluminum heatsink. I don't know if it's possible. Aluminum and copperized steel, to be honest, are not good friends, but I have some magic flux for aluminum soldering, so we'll see. Aluminum gets oxidized really fast, so this is pretty much useless operation. So I just want to make physical scratches on the surface, more or less, so the flux sits in a better way. Then I'm going to use my tweezers to put the flux on the surface. Most likely this is the acidic flux. It could be quite, yeah, I could see it reacts to aluminum. So it's better not to get it on your hands, damn it. Just yesterday I saw these Alien Earth movie. Oof, that's that is scary. I'm gonna put the same flux on the other side here. Ah, here we go. This should actually be enough. Just come on. Just don't want to touch it much. And this is a massive, guys, this is a massive piece of the metal here. If this soldering iron will be able to make it, it's gonna be amazing, but I don't have high hopes, to be honest, guys. Really do not have high hopes. $400. Okay, let's try, guys, let's try. Such a powerful soldering iron thing. No, this did not stick. Okay, wow, look. No guys, this is so far the most powerful soldering iron I had. For 30 bucks, this is definitely, okay, maybe 40. This is definitely the best buy that you can get. That will be insane. That will be insane. I don't know. I don't actually know. No. Okay, that was too much to hope for. That was a bit too much to hope for. And you got a huge cooler for the Raspberry Pi. Okay guys, let me know what you think. If you have had this soldering iron, if you have it, maybe you have some tips and tricks how to use it in a better way. What kind of power adapter could give even more power, because I feel that this 9-volt protocol is not the most powerful thing. Maybe if you can go up to 20 volts, it should go up to 150 watts, which will be insane. But yeah, let me know guys in the comments down below. Thank you so much. Goodbye.